Hi everyone, in today's I'm gonna explain to you how to compress PDF file size without losing quality. So the first step is to simply search on Google compress PDF file size, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply click on this website here. Then you're gonna get redirected here, and what you're gonna have to do is simply choose your PDF file. So I'm gonna go with this one here. Then I'm gonna go and click on open, and now what you're gonna have to do is simply wait until this uploads. And then here, as you can see, you have different settings. So you have basic compression, medium file size and high quality. And then you have strong compression, small file size and medium quality. So what you're gonna have to do is simply select any of these. Or if you want to, can go and select the presets. As you can see here, you have different presets. And as you can see here, you can see high quality, low quality, and screen quality. Then you have minimum quality, and then here you have insane quality. So simply choose any of these, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply click on start. And then what you're gonna have to do next is simply wait. And as you can see, compressed by 49%. So all you have to do is simply wait until this loads up, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply select it and then click on the download button, and basically that's all you have to do. So as you can see here, you can see the different sizes. As you can see, this is almost half of this. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.